The president says the cost of health care seems to be rising too fast, putting people out of the market. He believes limiting lawsuits, letting small businesses pool their resources to buy insurance, and other efforts will control the costs. WDEF News 12's Joe Legee looks at two other proposals from the presidential visit.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
The Commander-in-Chief switches hats, becoming the Educator-in-Chief during a conversation on health care.
The job of the educator-in-chief is to try to educate people about different ways to solve major problems facing our country.
Offering solutions and ideas, President Bush lobbied a crowd of nearly 300 to support his plan to change the tax code to make basic private health insurance more affordable and more accessible. The plan offers a standard tax deduction for everyone with health insurance. Families would not pay tax on the first $15,000 earned. Singles would receive half that benefit. The average tax impact would be over $3,000.
The cost per month for him and his family for on health insurance goes down to $47 a month when you apply the tax savings.
47 million Americans, or 1 in 6, currently lack health insurance. In Hamilton County, the number is above 43,000.
The quotes were just outrageous, so I'm just kind of stuck.
So you'd rather go without insurance? Or not rather go insurance, you just can't afford it. Let me put it that way.
Bush's proposal also includes federal money for state programs, helping insure the uninsured, like Cover Tennessee.
I was anxious for the president to see what's happening here in Tennessee.
Under Cover Tennessee, the state, the employer, and the individual pay an equal share, $50 to purchase basic health coverage. Governor Phil Bredesen says discussions with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services could create a fourth partner.
The $50 that somebody might be paying, maybe for them it ought to be $25 or $15, and the federal government picking up that difference.
Bush says as more Americans sign up for individual health care coverage, prices will come down and coverage will improve. In Chattanooga, Joe Legee, WDEF News 12.